Hello and welcome to Total Television. I'm talking to Lee Weiner of LogMeIn. Lee, we're here at the Total Telecom World Conference where your company is taking part in the conference. You also have a booth here, but this is the first time we've had the chance to really interview you on Total Television. So tell us a bit about what you do.
So LogMeIn is a provider of remote access, remote support, and online collaboration solutions in an easy-to-use web-based way. It's a software as a service platform that can be used by various types of people, and we're here today because we have a remote support application called LogMeIn Rescue that's used by customer care technicians inside mobile operators, other telecom operators, wireless and wireline.
So you're a bit of an unsung hero in the customer experience field.
Yeah. I mean, I think a lot of our customers, really what they're trying to do is improve their customer satisfaction ratings, as well as decrease their costs, right? Increase the technician's efficiency, make sure that they can troubleshoot problems, solve problems, while keeping that customer satisfaction rating up and their cost down.
Now, you're taking part in the customer experience session in the conference today. What are some of the main issues that are going to be discussed?
Yeah, I mean, I think there's been this notion of customer support and customer service being a very reactive part of the organization. Somebody calls the help desk, if you will, the customer care center, and their problem is solved. You know, we're starting to see a bit of a shift there, right? Because as people have smart devices, less technical people have smarter devices, they're calling the customer care center more and more. And as devices and bandwidth becomes more ubiquitous across operators, especially in EMEA, Asia, customer care is becoming much more strategic to reduce churn, to improve that brand capability.
Yeah, I mean, what's the mindset do you think operators have got to have towards customer experience going forward? Because I think our record isn't brilliant in this industry.
Yeah, I think really what people need to start focusing on more is focus on customer satisfaction, and there are certain metrics there and methodologies, things like net promoter scores, right? Whereas many of these customer care centers have been really focused on costs, right? And metrics like average handle time. So how do I get the customer off the phone quickly or end the call quickly? And you know, look, when you do that, you're sacrificing customer satisfaction. And when you sacrifice customer satisfaction, you might see your churn rates go up. You might see fewer people recommending your services to their friends and their family. So really, I think customer care centers and call center managers need to focus on this, you know, wowing the customer, improving that customer service experience. And you know, like I like to say, the customer care technicians should solve the problem for the end user as opposed to the end user solving it for the customer care rep.
Yeah, so in a way, the customer experience is then that they have the confidence that if something goes wrong, that last experience was good, they know there's someone there to support them rather than really being frightened of how they're going to get this thing fixed.
Yeah, and you know, just instead of having to go to the store and returning the device or sending the device in, making a quick call to the customer care center, they can connect to your device remotely, solve your problem, and the end user is happy. I mean, that's really what we're seeing.
Well, Lee, I'm going to make sure my device has got LogMeIn as part of the package, and thanks for talking to us.
Thank you very much.